Dr. Mujumdar, I would like to convey my greetings and respect both to you. And the reason I was keen to come to Pune was not to see your campus, but to meet you personally.
Thank you.
The reason is very simple and straight. In my life as an activist from my student days, which you heard about a little elaborately, I keep on meeting people, businessmen, leaders, those who establish institutions, etc. But I meet few people who are institution builders. Yeah? And I rank you as one of the foremost institution builders of India. Okay. You have a dream. You not only dreamt, but you concretized. And your hard work gave rich dividends that today Symbiosis movement is a benchmark for quality education in all the disciplines, and basically has become a good brand of India. That is how I say institution builders. I've always held the view that government cannot do everything. The initiative of government and the proactive contribution of individual and non-government sector both have to work together to make India what it deserves. And in that laudable objective, I see you playing a very seminal role. Therefore, I convey my greetings and respect to you both.